हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ। और ये जैसे आप लोग स्लाइम देख सकते हैं, ये है सम ऑफ माय बेस्ट एंड सम ऑफ माय वर्स्ट, नॉट रियली वर्स्ट बट सम ऑफ माय डीएक्टिवेटेड स्लाइम्स। सो आज मैं इन सब का एक स्लाइम स्मूदी करने वाली हूँ एंड इट्स बीन अ लॉन्ग टाइम सिंस मैंने ये स्लाइम स्मूदी किया है। और आज मेरे पास बहुत सारे स्लाइम्स है गाइस, लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 10 प्लस स्लाइम्स. So yeah, I am going to do a slime smoothie and I know you guys really enjoy these kinds of videos and you guys have been requesting me कि मैं और ये वाले videos लाऊं. So fantastics, here it is. I hope you guys really enjoy this video and the awesome slimes I have made. अगर आपको इनके recipes चाहिए तो वो description में है and make sure you guys subscribe and उनके descriptions I button पे भी है. And without talking much, now let's get started with the video. सो फैंटास्टिक्स, ये जो पहली स्लाइम है वो वाली स्लाइम मैंने सेम ऑरेंज मार्मलेड वाले तरीके से बनाई है एंड दिस इज़ फेविगम स्लाइम. यस गाइस, दिस इज़ फेविगम. और ये मैंने एक बस एक्सपेरिमेंट के लिए ऐसे ही बनाई थी. सो दिस इज़ लाइक अ पर्पलिश विथ लाइक यू नो सिल्वर ग्लिटर स्लाइम. और ये एक जिगली और थिक स्लाइम का कॉम्बिनेशन है. So it has a lot of nice clicks and bubble pops as well. And you guys can see how beautiful it looks. Now you guys can enjoy the ASMR. सो फैंटास्टिक, सिंस वी डोंट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम और हमारे पास बहुत सारी स्लाइम्स है दिखाने के लिए, सो इतना ही ASMR यहाँ पे मैं दे सकती हूँ गाइज. इफ़ यू गाइज वांट अ फुल ASMR वीडियो विदाउट मी टॉकिंग इन द बैकग्राउंड, देन यू गाइज कैन गो एंड चेक आउट माई सेकेंड चैनल विच इज़ फैंटास्टिक डायरीज. और वहाँ पे आपको सारी स्लाइम्स के बहुत लंबे लंबे ASMR मिलेंगे. लेट्स चेक आउट द सेकेंड स्लाइम नाउ. So fantastics, this is our second slime. It is a clear slime which is like tinted like with a tealish blue color and has purple glitters in it. ये मेरे पास एक clear slime थी जो आपने obviously देखी होगी, मैं आई बटन पे दे दूँगी. And this is how it looks. Let me show you guys the time recap. It is a very thick slime as well, so you guys enjoy the ASMR. It looks so beautiful right now. Oh my god. सो या फैंटास्टिक्स, दैट इज़ इट फॉर दिस स्लाइम एज वेल. और अब मैं जो आपको स्लाइम दिखाने वाली हूँ वो है थर्ड स्लाइम. सो या गाइस, लेट्स सी द थर्ड स्लाइम. So fantastics, this is the third slime and I am super confused. You guys tell me if it is a good or bad slime. क्योंकि गाइज आप लोग जो कलर देख रहे हैं वो इस स्लाइम का कलर नहीं है. ये स्लाइम येलो कलर की थी बिकॉज आई हैव मेड इट विथ यू नो फेविगम. और जो मैंने इसमें ब्लू ग्लिटर ऐड किया है उसकी वजह से इसका कलर ग्रीनिश ब्लूइश कलर हो चुका है. आई डोंट नो हाउ. आई थिंक द ग्लिटर हैज़ यू नो dyed slime with its color, but I don't know how. It is super clear but I really like this slime, but the color is a bit off. So let me know if you guys like this or not. Comment down below if you guys like this slime or not and enjoy the ASMR. So fantastic. Yeah, that's all for the third slime, and let's see the fourth slime. So this is the fourth slime, और ये एक jelly-ish type की slime बना रही थी मैं. It is an accident, I don't know what, लेकिन ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा rubbery और sticky बनी है, और इसमें I think snow fallout बहुत ज़्यादा है. I don't know why, but it is like so bad. This looks good and the sizzles are good also, but this rips easily, you guys can see. And I don't know what, it is just not a very good slime, and I don't like to play with it. You guys can see the snow fallout, you guys. It is bad, like it is seriously bad. But yeah, I am trying to kind of improvise the recipe or something like that. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, I hope you guys can enjoy at least the ASMR of this. And let's see the next slime again. So for the next slimes, I am going to just show you guys them. This is the red slime that I made, link in the I button. This is a very deactivated slime, and yeah, this is not looking very good, but we'll see. And yeah, the next slime is our rose slime, which is like a pretty recent slime, so you guys can go and check out if you guys haven't seen it. It looks literally so good. You guys enjoy the ASMR. So some people were saying in my last shorts that it was not my video, but it is. उसमें मेरे nails बहुत छोटे हैं, and I think उसमें nail paint भी नहीं है, but that is my video. It's not someone else. If it is someone else, then I will surely give credits, and I only show my slimes in this channel. So yeah, you don't have to worry about that. It is my recipe, and I have full video on it. You guys can go and check out. So yeah, that's it. And now let's see the next slime, which is this one, which has like a green and black kind of cookies and cream texture, and in between a cereal slime. So yeah, this is how it looks. And the next slime is a very bubbly, very recent bubbly slime. This looks so good. It has so many bubbles. Enjoy the ASMR, you guys. सो नाउ फैंटास्टिक्स, जब हमने पूरे स्लाइम्स देख लिए हैं, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट मिक्सिंग दोज. और उनको मिक्स करने के लिए हमें ऑब्वियसली बहुत बड़ा सा मिक्सिंग बोल चाहिए. सो लेट्स मिक्स. सो नाउ फैंटास्टिक्स, वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड ईच एंड एवरी स्लाइम इनटू द बोल, और आप उसका ASMR सुनिए. मैं अब ज़्यादा बातें नहीं करूँगी, एंड आई विल कम बैक जब हम लोग ये सारी स्लाइम्स मिक्स करेंगे. सो यार, लेट्स सी. So now Fantastics, as you guys can see, almost all the slimes are in here. So I am going to mix it now. Oh my god, you guys, all the colors. I don't know, I think it will still be like that, I don't know, weird purplish pinkish color. But yeah, you guys can see we have mixed so many glitter slimes, clear slimes, thick bubbly slimes. It is literally such a nice mixture of all the slimes. And so Fantastics, now I am going to add a lot of activators, since a lot of slimes are pretty deactivated. You guys can see like that honey kind of slime. That was my strawberry slime, by the way. It has just reduced in color. I don't know how, but yeah, that's just how slime works. Or you guys can see all the weird colors. Oh my god, this looks so weird but so good at the same time. It is literally amazing. I will fast forward, since it does not look that good. I will fast forward this process so you guys can see the final product easily. But this is just amazing, and this looks super nice as well. So yeah, just let's mix this all fast. So Fantastics, I am adding a little bit of blue food coloring as well. I don't know why, I just wanted to add it, and I thought it would look like cotton candy slime. So I just mixed it, and you guys can see the end results of the mixing as well. I'll fast forward it as well. So Fantastics, this is how it turned out. It looks super nice. It has such a water marble kind of effect. And yeah guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.